Hey there, Corey, Precision 4x4 Center, or as we're better known on the internet, ToyotaFiberglass.com. Today I want to show you one of our 79 to 83 truck beds. This one is a short box, and yeah, we'll do a little walk around so you can have a little peek and see what it's about. Alright, so here we go. This is our 79 to 83 short box. It will fit on the frame, but there are a few little differences, obviously. The earlier units had the latches that held the tailgate. So this is basically 82 to 83 because it has the center latch gate, not the side latches. We won't do that, so don't ask us. We've had customers that wanted it. We won't do it for liability issues, and we just can't make them strong enough to make them usable, so we don't do it. That being said, a couple of our customers have decided to do it on their own, and they hooked up the latches and made their own little system, and works great for them, I guess. It's just like I said, we can't make it strong enough to make it work and last and make it usable. Also, you'll notice it doesn't have the hooks on the sides. Same thing. We just can't get them in there strong enough to make them usable. And I'd hate for someone to have a load of something and using those tie-down hooks and the hooks break off. So we've had quite a few customers that do want something to tie down to. So what we suggest is putting a plate right in the box, right on the floor, and putting your tie down right on the floor. You can use them in the corners. That's where it's structurally the strongest with the underside reinforcement. So that's what we suggest. Don't put them on the side wall. Again, I mean, it is glassed in place. It is a structural part. You know, but you got a $50,000-$60,000 Harley or something like that. I don't know. I just definitely wouldn't suggest doing that. You can see the inner wall. So it is a double wall design, which makes it stronger than the stock steel ones. Also, you'll notice that it's hollow on the top rail instead of the hollow being there. So if you have a topper, just like the new styles, you will hook your clamp onto here and then on your topper. No need to drill through and secure it that way. You can just use those C-clamps. As you can see, the floor is flat. Does not have the corrugations. That's because of the way that they're built, and that's how we get the strength out of it as well. It's a lot thicker than the stock steel, that's for sure. So as you can see, this one is drilled for the flare. The original factory flare bolts right into place. It comes off your original bed, and yeah, you just you'll take it and prep it for paint and get it ready, and it'll bolt on just like the factory one. So the fuel filler door is all set up. The fuel filler pocket. This customer is buying the door, so we sold him a new door. Actually, it's a reconditioned used door. But this is basically the way you would get it. And normally you would use your own door. But like I said, this fella has a flat bed. And he didn't have this stuff, so he's buying the door as well. Yeah, so you would just... there's a couple of different doors as well. This one is the US style that doesn't have the key. The Canadian Japanese style has a keyhole in it that uses the that has a lock on it. So that's the difference. When we're setting it up, we do need to know which one you have. So thanks for coming by, checking out the video. Hope you liked it. If you have any further questions, toyotafiberglass.com. Phone number's on there as well. You can either email me or call me. Look forward to hearing from you either way. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.